Hey everyone, I made it! I'm in New York. This is gonna be home for a while. I'm just gonna spend the day exploring, eating some nice foods, seeing some nice things, maybe do a little bit of shopping. If I see something I like, I definitely need to eat soon. Right now, I'm heading up this observation deck and I'm a little bit terrified. I'm not really good with crowded places. I'm pretty claustrophobic and I'm also afraid of heights. So I'm doing two things that I don't really like. Let's see how I go. I went to get tickets and thankfully there wasn't a crowd. And after walking through some very pretty lights, I got on a lift that took me up 100 floors, which really hurt my ears. It was worth it though, because the view from the top was amazing. Okay, there's a see-through glass in front of me and I'm going to walk on it. I'm gonna try my best to not freak out because it is scary. Oh, I'm not looking down, you guys can. Looking down and walking at the same time is actually scary. I'm like trying to not freak out right now. Oh my god, guys, this is scary. No, not worth it. Okay, that's enough. I also caught some people doing the climb. It's basically an additional climb up to the top of the building and you get to lean forward or backward while suspended in the air. I wish I wasn't scared to do it. Maybe I'll do it another time. Anyways, I needed a little snack so I got myself some hot miso soup and some yummy tamakis. And I also got myself some boba and I had it with oat milk for the first time and I would not recommend. Next stop for me was the High Line. We're at an elevated park. It's called the High Line. It basically connects from one end to the other end. We're heading to Chelsea Market. It's basically a market for food. So it's my High Line to lunch. Let's go. It would be so nice to live here, but at the same time, can you imagine the privacy issue here? Like you can't really open your blinds because if you do, people are gonna look in and you gotta wear clothes. I bet it's really expensive. Can you imagine how expensive it is? I'm gonna Google like how expensive the apartments here are because it looks like it's not affordable. It's New York too, so let's continue the tour with Chloe. Let's go. I had pizza here ages ago, so I wanted to have it again and thankfully I found the store. Their pizzas look super authentic and the guys making the pizza love putting on a show. I had a slice of prosciutto di Parma and a bufalina and it was very yum in the tum-tum. I managed to get a counter seat, which turned out to be a bad idea. Okay, I'm home now, so it's really hard to vlog in public when people are staring at me. I just get really uncomfortable. Now that I have a bit of peace and quiet, let's chat for a little bit. I didn't really quite explain why I'm in New York. So basically, my lease for my apartment in Singapore has ended and I decided not to renew it. So I packed up everything and stored it in storage, and it was so stressful because I had to pack it up all within 1.5 weeks. So you're not gonna see the same workout set ever again. That's it. That's the workout set I had for 1.5 years, which I really liked. So in some of my older videos, I mentioned that I want to move out from Singapore. Well, the plan was to never really live there for a long time. I really like Singapore other than the weather. So I was in Seoul for quite some time and I really liked it there. The only problem is the language barrier. Like my Korean is it's horrible. If I want to live there, I really need to learn Korean, like properly learn it this time. It's a little bit of a struggle, like to get some stuff done in Korea, not knowing Korean very well at all. And so I'm here in New York because this is another location that I kind of want to explore. I really like New York too, but it's just not very safe here. So yeah, I'm gonna be exploring a little bit until I find a location that I really like. Anyway, we'll see what happens. So if you have any recommendations where to go in New York, please let me know down in the comments because that would be really helpful. And in terms of content, I'll be taking a little break from making workout videos. I'm still going to make weekly videos, just not workout videos for a while. I have more than 30 programs out there, so you guys should be fine for a while. I just kind of feel like I've done everything I can for home workout videos, whether it be a home-based booty program with weights, or using a repetition counter format, or including low impact in every video, and even adding different languages. Like back in 2018, there were only 10 to 20 channels, like fitness channels. Now there's like thousands. I really want to try something new for my videos, but that requires time to think. And there's only so much more you can do to a workout video. So yeah, there's just so much more workout content now, which is really great for you guys because you guys have options to choose from. When it comes to me, like when I put out a workout video, it's just not gonna get as much views anymore because people are probably on my older programs and they're not gonna want to click on my new video because they are following my old schedules. It's just how it is. Like if it's helping someone, it's great, right? But my new videos aren't getting as much visibility because of that. There's just very little incentive to create new workout videos because people aren't clicking on it immediately. And that's the reason why I'm taking a little break from making fitness videos because it's just like cannibalizing, you know, it's hurting my channel. Everyone just needs to be on it when I put out a fitness video. And that's just how YouTube algorithm works. Like your videos needs to be getting as much interaction, engagement, views in the first day. And if it's not getting that, it's not gonna show up, you know, it's not gonna be recommended. And yeah, I hope you guys understood what I was trying to say. Like, I don't really talk about things like this. It's just like a really weird topic to talk about. But yeah, I think that's all I want to say today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had fun going out, eating. Eating is always fun. Seeing New York is really fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!